This is iGulu, the world's smartest home brewing machine. Beer is the oldest and world's most widely consumed alcoholic beverage, with thousands of years of history and brewing tradition. But time has changed. With iGulu, now everybody can brew beer. iGulu keeps the brewing, cooling, and fermentation processes in one single machine. All you need is the machine and the right ingredients. You can easily create your own beer styles with simple operations. All brewing processes can be tracked, monitored, and controlled with a simple LCD screen user interface. After filling the ingredients, the user can select a recipe from the library based on the styles, grains, hops, and yeasts the users want to use. iGulu will do the rest of the work automatically. Our system also allows you to use different mini kegs for fermentation in your fridge. With iGulu's mobile app for Android and iOS, you can connect, control, and monitor the whole brewing process. Stay informed for every single step, and even receive a notice once the process is complete. The iGulu social platform provides users hundreds of standard recipes well built by excellent brewers around the world. You can order different recipes through the app website and receive ready-to-brew packages. Now you can taste a beer from the other side of the world, just at home. If you want to be more creative and following recipes is too boring for you, then just create your own recipes. Yes, you can play around, and once you've found the perfect mix, just save it for next time, or share it on the platform with other users. Create the color, strength, and individual flavor you want. There are no limits to your creativity. iGulu maintains the integrity of the natural ingredients. You can also use hops and malt from your local farmer and try to create a regional taste.
The dirtiest place in your home, it's in your kitchen cloth, or klud, as we call it in Danish. It is even 200,000 times dirtier than your toilet seat. The combination of leftovers from your kitchen, moisture, and living room temperature creates the perfect conditions for bacteria to grow. The general householding advice is to change your kitchen cloth every day. But as I see it, the main problem is that you never know which day the cloth is from. Even the days you do remember to change the cloth, the rest of the family never knows if they can trust the cloth to be fresh or not. My idea of solving this is simple and easy. I have combined microfiber cloth with weekday tabs, so you always know which day the cloth is from. With this solution, it is easy to remember to change your kitchen cloth each day and avoid bad hygiene and create a more healthy kitchen habit.
I love good rice, but often when I eat rice at other people's home or even at some restaurants, I'm disappointed. To put it nicely, it's not cooked the way to get the best out of it. I discovered cooking in ceramics during my trips to Japan and China. It was then that I learned to appreciate well-cooked rice. So, inspired by the traditional Chinese and Japanese ways of cooking rice, I designed the Azume ceramic rice cooker. My name is Ben Oostrum, I'm a product designer from the Netherlands and I love cooking. Cooking any rice, you should first rinse it thoroughly. Then let it soak for a while. Cook it for a short time, turn off the heat and keep it covered. The rice will continue to steam until it's done. Ceramics hold the heat very well, so the rice won't cool down too much while letting it sit. The glaze on ceramics is very inert, so it won't give off any taste like metal often does. We added some extra benefits, like these rims in the lid. These rims make sure that any steam that condensates will drip nicely on the surface of the rice, so the top layer of the rice won't dry out. Sure, cooking rice in an electrical rice cooker works too, but then you have yet another kitchen appliance with a plug. The Azume is much more practical, sustainable and beautiful.
Wat ik graag wil is zilvervliesrijst koken. Dat kan niet in een elektrische rijstkoker, maar wel heel goed in deze keramische rijstkoker.
用Azume烧米饭最好味道，粒粒皆辛苦。
Let's face it, everybody loves a good slush. The kids love it, adults love it, especially mixed with alcohol. Your family and friends love it, it's an absolute wow factor at parties, and the best part, it's a smash hit during summer. People all around the world are drinking slushy every single day. It's just part of who we are and what we love to do. Millions of people all around the world have wanted a professional slushing machine in their home for years. But the problem is, until now, these crazy industry $2,000 price tags have made it almost impossible for the everyday family to afford it. The other major problems with professional slushing machines on the market today is they are far too big, far too bulky, and they simply do not fit on the kitchen bench. Traditional slushing machines on the market weigh in at almost 55 kilograms. I've seen some weighing up to 100. The problem is they're not easily transportable. You can forget about taking them away on holidays unless you carry a van. What's worse, they don't fit the kitchen decor. So this got us thinking, what if we created a new industry standard? What if we created the world's first professional slushing machine for homes at the world's most affordable price tag? The result? The birth of the ice slush. So here's the stats. The ice slush stands at only 40 centimetres in height and 38 centimetres wide, making it the perfect kitchen benchtop size and the most compact machine ever created. It's only around 15 kilos in weight, making it the lightest professional slush machine on the market.
Thanks for taking a look at my new project, the titanium vegetable peeler. Here are some different ways you can use it. I've also included my old project, the titanium cheese slicer. We've found there's many ways you can slice all sorts of different vegetables. Here are some examples. All the details below. Thanks for watching.
I started iClay 5 years ago, fueled by my passion for both food and tiny things. I was blessed to receive attention for iClay very quickly, from newspapers, television, and blogs worldwide. My miniature food works traveled the world. Soon, people wanted to learn how to make their own miniature food, and I began running workshops. Till date, I've conducted at least 50 workshops and taught the craft to at least 300 participants. But there was always one question the participants asked: where can I buy the tools and materials you use? Over the years, I've discovered which tool and material is most effective in making miniature food. But having to choose and purchase from various sources can be quite overwhelming, especially for the beginner crafter. So here's a solution: Pocket Kitchen. It comes with all the tools and materials you need to make your own miniature food, plus a collection of miniature food video tutorials. Each tool and material in the Pocket Kitchen is specially selected for its quality and effectiveness for miniature food crafting. I have been working on the tutorials over the years, refining techniques and coming up with new ways to create the most realistic miniature food. The video tutorials will feature close-ups of my sculpting techniques to guide you step by step through the projects, together with easy-to-understand instructions and helpful tips. Plus, Pocket Kitchen will come with accessories to create your very own miniature food jewelry. Owning Pocket Kitchen will give you endless hours of fun. With Pocket Kitchen, you'll spend more time crafting and less time sourcing for the right materials and tools.
Oh man!
Honey!
Mom!
Did you get Parmesan? Did we get limes?
Toilet paper.
Lettuce.
Bananas.
I got this.
Cookies.